In our increasingly globalized world, managing finances often involves more than just local transactions. Whether you're paying an international subscription, settling an overseas invoice for your business, or supporting family in another country, the question of how to efficiently and affordably pay bills with services like Wise frequently arises. As a finance expert, I'm here to shed light on Wise's capabilities when it comes to bill payments, ensuring you understand the nuances and can leverage this powerful tool effectively. The core function: Wise as a transfer and holding service. To understand if you can pay a bill with Wise, it's essential to revisit its primary function. Wise is an e-money institution, EMI, that specializes in international money transfers and multi-currency accounts. It allows you to hold money in various currencies, receive funds with local bank details in several countries, and send money across borders at the real exchange rate. Think of your Wise account as a highly efficient conduit for moving money internationally and a versatile digital wallet for holding different currencies. It's not a full-fledged bank with all the traditional bill payment features you might associate with your local checking account. Direct bill payments. What Wise can and cannot do. When we talk about paying a bill, it typically refers to a few scenarios. Sending money to a recipient's bank account. This is where Wise truly shines. Setting up recurring payments. Direct debit/standing orders. Wise offers this in specific regions. Using a bill pay service, like those offered by traditional banks, Wise generally does not operate as a traditional bill pay service where you add payees for various utilities, credit cards, or loans within its platform. Let's break down each scenario. 1. Sending money to a recipient's bank account. Yes, this is how you pay bills. The most common and effective way to pay a bill with Wise is by sending a direct transfer to the biller's bank account. If your biller provides bank account details, account number, sort code, IBAN, SWIFT/BIC, etc., you can initiate a transfer from your Wise account just like you would any other international or even domestic transfer. How it works: gather the biller's bank details. This is crucial. You'll need their bank name, account number, routing number for US, sort code for UK, IBAN for Eurozone, or other relevant details, along with their name or company name and address. Set up a transfer in Wise. Log into your Wise account, web or app, select Send Money, and enter the recipient's currency and the amount. Enter the recipient's bank details. Carefully input all the bank information you gathered. Fund your Wise transfer. You can typically pay for the transfer from your Wise multi-currency balance, or by linking your external bank account or using a debit/credit card, though card payments may incur higher fees. Confirm and send. Review all details before confirming the payment. Wise will process the transfer, and the money will arrive in the biller's bank account. When is this useful? International invoices. Paying suppliers, contractors, or service providers located in other countries. Overseas rent or mortgage payments. If you own property or rent abroad. Tuition fees for international education. Supporting family abroad. Sending money for their utility bills, medical expenses, etc. International subscriptions. If a service requires a bank transfer for payment. Key advantage: Wise offers the real mid-market exchange rate with transparent, low fees, making it significantly cheaper than traditional banks for international bill payments. 2. Setting up recurring payments, direct debits, and standing orders. This is where Wise offers some direct bill payment functionality, but with regional limitations. Direct debits. Wise supports direct debits for certain currencies/regions, such as GBP, British pounds, Euro, Euros, AUD, Australian dollars, CAD, Canadian dollars, and USD, US dollars. This means you can provide your Wise account details, e.g., your UK sort code and account number, or your Euro IBAN, to a company within those regions, and they can set up a recurring payment to pull funds directly from your Wise balance. This is similar to how you'd pay a utility bill, phone bill, or subscription within your own country. How it works: you provide your Wise local account details to the company you want to pay. They then set up the direct debit instruction with Wise. Wise will notify you of upcoming payments and deduct the amount when due. If you don't have enough money in the specific currency balance, Wise may auto-convert from another balance with the lowest conversion fee. Common uses: utility bills, electricity, gas, water, phone bills, internet subscriptions, gym memberships, streaming services, and loan repayments within supported regions. Standing orders: while Wise doesn't explicitly offer a standing order feature like some traditional banks, you can achieve a similar outcome by setting up scheduled transfers. If you need to send a fixed amount to a specific recipient at regular intervals, you can schedule recurring transfers within the Wise app or website. Important note: the availability of direct debits depends on the currency and the country. Always check Wise's Help Center or contact their support for the most up-to-date information on supported direct debit currencies and regions. 3. Integration with accounting software for businesses. For businesses, Wise offers more streamlined bill payment solutions through integrations with popular accounting software like QuickBooks Online and Xero. How it works: by connecting your Wise business account to your accounting software, you can often import unpaid bills directly into Wise. You can then pay these bills using your Wise account balance or a linked bank account, leveraging Wise's favorable exchange rates for international payments. The payment details are then automatically synced back to your accounting software for easier reconciliation. Benefit: this significantly simplifies the process of paying international vendors and managing your business expenses, reducing manual data entry and potential errors. What Wise does not do like a traditional bank's bill pay: it's crucial to distinguish Wise from a typical bank's bill pay service, which often includes adding predefined billers. Your bank might have a list of pre-approved utility companies, credit card providers, etc., that you can easily add as payees. Wise doesn't have this universal directory. Check writing: Wise doesn't issue physical checks for bill payments. Complex payment options: traditional banks might offer more advanced payment options like paying by phone with an automated system for certain billers. Integration with all billing systems: while Wise connects with accounting software, it doesn't directly interface with every biller's payment portal in the same way a local bank might.